Hello everyone. So today in this video I will be telling you how to shift gears on a bike and will also tell you some tricks for better shifts. So let's start. So first let me tell you how to shift up a gear. So as soon as you pull the clutch in, shift the gear at the same time, because if you wait for some minutes or seconds, the rear wheel is spinning, and with that the sprocket here is spinning, and with the sprocket the gears are still intact. So the speed of the gear will increase if you the rotation speed of the gear will increase if you pull the clutch in and do not shift up a gear, because the engine RPM will drop down because the clutch has been pulled in, but the gears will be still rotating at a very high speed. So that will make your upshifts take a lot more effort and will not give you a good upshift. Also, when you upshift, the engine RPM drops down, and if you keep the clutch pulled in for a very long time, that will eventually make the engine RPM go very down, and because of that upshifts will take a lot more effort and will also give you a jerky feeling while upshifting. Now talking about how to downshift on a bike, so I will tell you one trick here that is called rev matching. So let's talk about it. So you all must have noticed that when you downshift, the engine RPM goes up, and for every bike the amount of RPMs that will go up while downshifting varies. So I will suggest you to go to an open empty stretch of road and see how much RPM does it rise when downshifting a gear, and also see how much throttle is required to increase that much RPM. So when you downshift, pull the clutch in and give it that much throttle so that much RPM increases. What that will do is make the engine be at that same RPM that it will be after getting a downshift. So that will make the downshifts real smooth and will also make the engine feel a lot less stress and will prevent your rear wheel from locking up. So this trick is called rev matching. So to do rev matching, all you need to do is go to an empty stretch of road and see for that RPM and downshifting, and to rev match, pull the clutch in and at the same time give it a little gas. That I told you how much gas, give it that much throttle and then shift down the gear. You will see that how smooth the downshifts will become after this. So pull the clutch in, give it a little gas, and that. So it will take a few days to master this trick, and after that your downshifts will become so easy, so smooth, and that will really help you with getting more speed in the corners, because when you downshift and do it with rev matching, your rear wheel will not lock up. Means it's kind of to get the effect of slipper clutch on this bike. So that's for the rev matching and downshifting. So that was for the shifting on a bike. And do not keep your clutch pulled in for a very long time, as it will make the engine RPM go real low and you will feel jerky while downshifting or upshifting, whatever you do. And for upshifting, pull the clutch in and at the same time upshift. And for downshifting, use rev matching. That will really make your shifts a lot nice, a lot crisp, and will also prevent your rear wheel from locking up. So that was for shifting on a bike. Please like the video if you found it useful. Please subscribe if you haven't, and leave down a comment of what you want to see next. So thank you.